It is a brisk 36 degrees in the garden today, and since a few of you have asked for an update, here it is. So we're doing okay. I made some adjustments. The weather has been crappy all week. It rained for the last 2 days. Today was the first day we did not get rain. So I'm pulling back the dome a little bit to do an assessment and do some make some improvements. You'll see it looks a little shabby. There's this dust-like substance that you see on a lot of these pots and containers, and that is wood ash. I'm back to using my fireplace again, and this ash is actually good for most of what I'm growing this winter. And the other issue is the issue that I have every single year, so it's not new, and that is the bugs. Especially here you can see where they've been having a field day, and a little bit over here. So that white stuff is the 7 dust to repel the bugs. In some cases, like here, this is fine. Over here it's fine. There's a couple that are perfectly okay, and others that they seem to like more. So that is the other thing that I've done. I took off the frost cloth because I don't need it yet. I mean, yes, we're coming into the cold weather. We got a little bit of snow last night, not too much. It's going down into the 30s again tonight and tomorrow. Um, this weekend is going down into the 20s all the way until early next week. So I'm probably going to take this off, put the frost cloth on, and then put the plastic back over it. But for now, I've been monitoring it, and it's been doing fine. It's not a big deal. As a matter of fact, I've even had some purple cabbage over in the raised crate garden that I didn't cover at all. So because we're going down into the 20s in a couple of nights, I am going to be more protective of that. I actually did put a shot up on Facebook with the striped tablecloth that I just put on there a few hours ago. So the last thing, it's kind of hard to miss, and that is the straw that I've added to my elephant garlic. You don't see it coming up too much over here. There's only one or two. It's mostly, well, let me see if I can just swing this over here real fast. This is where you can see it. This one was planted first. So there's one, two, there's about 6 in here altogether. And that is just a little added protection. I can probably, again, do without it, but I decided to go ahead and add it anyway. So, one more thing. I set this up over here to make the initial video, but as I watch the days get shorter and shorter, I get more sun over here. So when it gets a little bit warmer outside, I'm going to move this from here to here, and you might think, well, why go through all the trouble? There's a couple of reasons. Number one, I'm going to use this cardboard that I talked about. I'm also going to show you a few other methods you can use as ground covers. And for me, it's worth it. To get an extra hour or two of sun is going to help my plants to grow. So I don't know if I can do this by myself. Well, I can, but I might get the Frugal son and the Frugal nephew to help me probably knock it out in about 20 minutes, as opposed to me doing it by myself. It'll probably take me a little bit over an hour. At any rate, that's where we are. things are looking okay. In some cases, they're looking great. Some cases, they could be looking better. Before I put down the wood ash about a week ago, I did put down some Epsom salt. It's not something that you have to do, but I like to do it. I think it helps my plants, so that's what I did. Well, that's it for now, gang. Like I said, I'm trying not to keep you guys, but I am asking you to subscribe if you haven't. I'm going to be here all winter, and next spring, next summer, I'm not going anywhere. So please subscribe and hit the notification bell, because during the summer, I was updating you guys. I was posting 3 times a week, but now, since it's less going on in the winter, it's twice a week, usually on Monday and Thursday. So that's it for now. This is the Frugal Gardener, and like I always say, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you guys in a few days on the next video. Have a good one.